Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to customize gestures for your earbuds Energy System Style 4. You have to start by open Smart Connect application. Of course, you need to add your earbuds to the app, and then you will see them at the device list. Tap at your earbuds. Then, right here at the right side, we have Custom Controls. Tap at this button, and now let's work with it. So, firstly we have press and hold, then single press, double press, and triple press. So, I wanna change it, and for the left earbud, for the press and hold, I wanna call voice assistant. So I tap the voice assistant. For the right, the same. Single press, I like it, so I leave it here. Is volume control, but you can set to something else, it's up to you. Double press I wanna also leave right here. I like plain pause, but again you can tap and select something best for you. And triple press, with the left earbud I wanna play previous track, and with the right one I wanna play next track. And now I think this one is much better than by default, but if you don't like what you made, you can easily reset it to the default settings by clicking the reset button at the right top. Click on it and then confirm. And look at this, now we have it by default. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!